So this art is known as a Sanganeri hand block print. Sanganer is a town in Jaipur about 20 kilometers far from here. Over there in every house people they do this art. And this is famous from Jaipur because Jaipur water is hard water. Hard water is not good for drink, but hard water is very good for hand block print. We work here on cotton material, on silk material and also mixed material of cotton and silk. So for cotton and mixed material we use teak wood blocks. This is made out of teak wood. And for silk material we use these kind of metal blocks, metal. Because in silk we need more fine work. Have a look. Made outlines of the design. Okay. Now second block with second color will come here in between this space and here. So most difficult job to carve the block. If carving is perfect, person match point and complete design, and every subordinate blocks fix inside master. Okay. Now third will come in between these small lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and in between the trunk. Have a look. Now fourth and final, because this set is 4 colors, maximum 9 blocks with 9 colors. So after print, what we do, we dry material for 2 days, about 48 hours, because natural color takes time to fix. So necessary dry them. And second reason, the colors you are looking, they are not original, they will change. At the printing time, natural colors never print on cloth, but when we dry and sun oxidize the color, then natural colors comes out. I am going to show you a magic hair solution, salt and vinegar in water. So when I pass with solution, colors will change. So you can say magic water, like abracadabra, hocus pocus, simsilabim. Any other word you use for magic? Okay. You know in Hindi what we say for magic? Very simple word, jadoo. These are original colors. After oxidation process by sun in 2 days look same. Here plain water to remove the salt and vinegar. When we dry and sun oxidize, then look same in 2 days. And once colors are fixed, then you can wash material. Yeah. When colors fixed, you can wash material at home by hands, by washing machine. Colors never move, never comes out. So here we are weaving rugs, woolen and silk both qualities. This is called base. In wool carpet, cotton base. And in silk carpet, cotton and silk base. Silk on silk are best in all qualities. But we people are making woolen rugs with wool base also. So first of all, mix design on the graph paper, which design we need in carpet with the help of same color scheme. Which color we want. See the squares of the graph. Every small block is a knot of carpet. One small square is one knot of carpet. Carpet making is very slow process, takes minimum 45 days for 1 square meter by one person. More knots, little more time, but quality is more superior and lasts longer also. Cut. Front, back, figure of 8, cut. Every knot, every knot is individual and made in same position. And in carpet, we follow a theory. One family, one design. Wash knots mixed together. So we separate each and every knot line by line to open the design, because design mix after wash. So we separate design. Similar like our hairs. When we wash hairs, all hairs they mix. So we comb them. It's the same process. Have a look here. All knots mixed. Design is not clear, looks fuzzy. But here all knots are separated line by line. You can see all the knots are separated line by line. Have a look.
Amazing.
Then when we separate all knots on front side, lot of ways, design is not clear, looks fussy. And you saw there the man was making knots and cutting by cutter, not using scissor. So cut more, less, more, less. So here we trim with a special scissor. Before trim, comb to carpet. So extra wool and silk comes in comb. This is iron comb, metal. For our hairs we use plastic comb, plastic brush, but for carpet, metal comb. So when comb to carpet, extra wool silk comes in comb. Then easily we can clip. Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How big more person first 2, 3 times can clip. But final clipping either small or. And second reason, check quality, because there I told you people makes at home in villages. When carpet gets ready, they bring a carpet. So first of all, check quality. If they mix any synthetic thread of wool or silk in carpet, then synthetic catch fire. Pure wool, pure silk never burn, never catch fire. So you can say quality control test. When he burn, just take smell. Natural smell is like our hairs, hair burn, singeing. It's synthetic like plastic and carpet catch fire also. Pure wool, pure silk never burn. Have a look now. Hello. Handmade carpets are washable with normal detergent and water. Whatever we use to clean cloth, with same detergent and water you can wash your handmade carpet. After every wash, they looks like new. Then over here we dry on rooftop. So you can clean your carpet at home but dry in any shaded area, because according to my knowledge your rooftops in this position, not in flat like us, and lot of rain also. So you can wash but dry in any shaded area, in flat or on wall, anywhere you can dry. It takes little bit more time, but still will be dry. Can clean at home, then dry in any shaded area. Normal detergent and normal water. Even you can use your hair shampoo also to clean carpet. Everything is clear? Any question?